Welcome back to the channel. We are going to clean the exhaust of the VA4 today. So what we need is Harpic, brush, container, um, cling wrap, and I think that's it. Soapy water and Scotch Brite. What else? Gloves, safety glasses, the usual stuff. Let's do this. So why Harpic? Um, Acid. So we are using acid to remove rust, and as simple as that. No need to dilute. We are going to wrap it with cling wrap so that it will not dry up. Of course, once you use your cling wrap, don't bring it back in your kitchen. Now we are going to leave this for a few minutes. Now it really depends on how nasty the rust is. Moderate rust, 30 minutes or less. Excessive, too much, like what I have, maybe an hour. So it's almost an hour. Yeah. If you are not happy, brush more Harpic and then cover it again. I think on the other parts, I will have to coat and recoat many times on this because the rust is really thick. Put more, cover it, leave it for another hour. But we're making progress. After two recoating. Nice. So there was no cheating in this video, huh? Nice, nice. Sometimes results do still surprise me. I wasn't expecting that I'll be able to clean this as much as it is right now. Here you go, all clean. Now all you have to do now is to neutralize it with soap. If you have baking soda, then that is better. I'm out of baking soda, so soap will do for now. So it's cleaner, not clean, not 100%. There's still a few rust, but I don't mind as long as it's cleaner. So all Now I just need to start the engine, hit it up, and then put some WD-40 afterwards. Hope you like this. Peace.